Hi pretties, it's Erica, and today I'm here with a new fall makeup look. Super excited for it to be fall already. So I just wanted to come on YouTube and just show this makeup look that I created for you guys today. And if you're new here, this is gonna be my first video on my channel, so can you please like and subscribe, and yeah, like and subscribe. I'm on the floor right now. Wow. So I just wanted to talk more about myself. I am 19. I just graduated high school and I'm going into my first year as a freshman in college. I'm going to do more videos on my college experience and everything. So yeah, let's get right on into the video.
Sorry guys about my audio, it sucks, but anyways, we're going to start off with CeraVe Lotion Moisturizer. I'm going to put that all over the face and neck. So we're going to take our primer. This is No Problem by Touch and Soul, and we're going to just apply that all over the face. Now taking our foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal one, and this is in the shade 465, and I'm just putting it all over my face. Now taking our foundation brush, we're just going to smooth out the product all over our face. Now taking my L.a Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory, I am just going to put that all over my lid and under my eye. Now using the same foundation brush, I am just going to smooth everything out. Now I want more concealer under my eye, so I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade medium and just applying a little bit at the bottoms of my eyes. We are now using the Airspun translucent powder, and I'm just putting that all over my face and under my eyes so I can get that matte looking effect. Now taking my Too Faced bronzer, I'm just putting this in the hollows of my cheeks. Now I'm just sculpting out my nose with the same bronzer. Now taking my Milani blush, I'm just going to put this in the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm taking my Morphe eyebrow pencil in the shade Java and just filling in my eyebrows. Now I'm putting the same concealer that I used under my eyes to define my eyebrows. Now putting on my e.l.f. primer in the shade Rose, I'm just going to put this all over my lid. Now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I am just going to be showing you guys the colors that I've been using. Now I'm just putting all the colors in the crease. Now I'm using this taupe color on my lid and around my crease area. Now this is when I noticed that I messed up, so I am just blending my brown eyeshadow out. And it blended out perfectly. Now I'm taking one of the shimmers to do a cut crease look. Now using that same color that we used the first time, I am just going to apply this underneath my eyes to get it a more of a dramatic effect. Now this is my favorite mascara. I've been using it for years and it just gives a more of a dramatic effect to my eyes. Now I'm about to use the wispy lashes. I've heard really good things about this brand, so I just wanted to try it out for myself and give you guys a first impression of what I think about it. My first impressions, I never wear fake lashes, but these lashes are so natural and I love them. 10 out of 10.
I look so
Now onto lips. I am using the shade Natural in the NYX brand. Now I am just using a rosy pink from the MAC collection of Viva Glam. But this was a fall look, so I wanted to go more darker, so I just applied a few strokes of the Viva Glam. I forgot the shade, I'll put it down in the link below, but I'm just going to tint my lips a little bit. I'm not going to put a whole full glam lip on. Now I am using a MAC powder to set my face. Now we are going to use some of the Urban Decay setting spray. Now I am using a powder highlighter. Powder highlighters are my favorite. And now that's the look, everybody.
Hi pretties, that's gonna be it for my video today. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want me to do any other videos such as makeup, vlogs, anything. I will be doing a lot of that stuff. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at eriibeautyy. I will have the links in the description, and I hope you guys have a great day.